Finding time and money to spruce up your space can be difficult, so we brought in artist extraordinaire Laura Madden with some DIY art tips. Okay, Laura, I love when you are here because your stuff is beautiful, and I am a huge fan of your art. I have one of your pieces. I say that every time you're here.
I love
but it's just because I love it so much. And you do such cool and unique things. So before we get into these DIY activities and things you can do, tell us a little bit about you and your work.
Yeah, so everything is really meant to be a merging of style and sustainability. So I really love very stylish, avant-garde, unusual things, but I really focus on using items that would otherwise end up in landfill. So essentially repurposing, and it's good for the earth, but also leads to an incredible aesthetic for your walls.
Definitely. So that is a great thing that you do. You're you know, saving our earth. You're getting these pieces that otherwise would be in the trash, and you're giving them new life. So this is really cool. So tell me about some of the materials before we get into actually making a piece of art. Tell me about some of the materials we have on the table for people who are at home and are like, I want to start doing my own stuff at home. Like, what do we have here?
Yes, well, I really encourage people, if you cannot afford art, please make it yourself. It feels so good. And a lot of these things we have at home. So this was a slip cover to a couch that is no longer working.
Okay.
So a number of these pieces were pulled, these fabric remnants were pulled from this slip cover. That's a huge amount of material. Could end up in landfill. You can use it to create texture and this great 3D effect. This is also a pillow cover. Again, tons of fabric. Instead of just throwing it in the trash, you can cut it up. You can use, I mean, all kinds of cool things. Some of them we see here, some of them we might do here. We also have this styrofoam. I mean, every other package.
Idea. Like you were just saying, everything now, and you know, I'm guilty of this. I order so much on Amazon, and then unfortunately, I do just toss everything. Look, this, you can make something beautiful, and you're giving it second life. Great.
So we've got the fabric here. This was totally inspired by Baby Arlo, just something cool and unique.
Absolutely.
Denim. Awesome way to create texture, and also you can do some really cool things on a canvas.
I never would have thought of that. That's so great.
Yes,
okay.
Very neat things. So I think we covered most of these materials, but what I really want to focus on is the material.
Okay.
Because there's so much textile waste, and we have so many leftover textiles.
Definitely.
You know, in our home.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is one of my favorite things to do. It's a great way to create texture, to create 3D. We have some artwork here that was also created using the fabrics. But if you want to do a little demo for your viewers,
please.
Totally up to you. We're going to keep this very, very light and easy.
Okay, yes, I'm not super artistic myself when it comes to this kind of stuff.
But we have some supplies. So what we have here, this is actually house paint. And
like paint that you would use to paint your house?
That you would use in your house, left over from a renovation. And
that's great.
Yeah, when it starts to dry up, it really works very well as a texturizer as well as a paste. So that's what we're going to use to kind of like secure, to glue down these textiles onto the canvas.
All right, let's get going here. Show me how to do this.
Yes, so we can use something as simple as this. And you know what? Actually, let's use this. Also a leftover kitchen tool.
Okay, so we have something like this, and I'm just going to take this dried, like paint that's starting to dry, put it on the back of my fabric here.
Nice and thick.
Okay.
And
sorry if you guys can't see this. I'll show you here in a second.
It has a little bit of a glue-like effect.
Gotcha. Okay, and this is all stuff
You're doing wonderful, Lexi.
That people have in their home.
Yes.
Guys, I'm an artist. Okay, last little bit here, and then I'm just going to stick it to my canvas.
Absolutely, absolutely.
I'll
so we can turn it over and place it down. All right, so there we go. And don't worry about any paint that might be, you know,
that's all kind of part of, you know.
We're going to paint over it.
Oh, great.
Yes,
okay.
So we paint over that.
So there we go. And this is just a piece of fabric, like we said, on a canvas.
Exactly.
What am I going to do next?
So we got black paint, our favorite color, right?
Definitely.
And so paint over it. We've also got other colors. You can do any type of, you know, design, any type of pattern.
And what type of paint are we using here? Is this acrylic?
This is, well, it's latex.
Oh, latex.
Which is, it is a water-based paint, so washes off, which is great. But again, this is leftover from a home renovation. So we've all got leftover paint from something or another, so don't throw it away.
And Laura, so if you're at home right now, spring break is coming up, and you have kids.
Yes.
And you're like, okay, I am trying to keep my kids kind of, you know, busy easy.
Yes.
Would this be something good to do with the kids at home?
Absolutely, absolutely. Keep their hands active, keep their minds active.
I love it.
Kind of stretch their creative edge, and let them see what they can come up with on their own. I mean,
great.
I like letters and numbers because it's easy and it's fun.
Absolutely.
And,
you have something like this, like my son's name is Arlo. Now we have this A that's kind of cool and fun.
he has his own art.
And if he did this himself, that would be so great. All right, Laura, tell everybody where they can find more information about you.
My website is shop.IamLauraMadden.com.
Nice.
Instagram is @Refashioned Art.
And you guys, I just made a piece of art. This is amazing. You can do it too.